Okay, episode 3 of Donkey Falls.
Two, Dustin.
Yeah, episode 2. Okay. 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 So, let's see. Keep going.
Oh, come on, turn.
All right.
Here it goes.
Oh my god. All right. Fall number 1.
You thought she was going to stay
Yeah, I
on
thought she was going to stay on.
She was like, oh.
Yeah. All right, people. This is a good YouTube series. All right, how many episodes are we gonna do of this? Like 6? Because this is hilarious.
Yeah, we'll do 2 each. All right, hold on. I hurt my butt, even though I didn't land on it. I tried to train this donkey, but now we're having too much fun with her. It's like she's not trained anymore. Okay.
All right, here we go.
Hey, you already chased after the cat close myself.
All right. Okay. Let's do this.
People think it takes a lot of power to do this.
No, it doesn't.
Okay. Oh man, she stayed on.
Wait. All right. Hey, try to lope her this time.
Nope. Okay. She's like, I don't want to.
All right, try to get her to lope.
I'm not gonna be able to get her to hook Dustin. She's so freaking stubborn.
Just keep kicking.
I gotta get her over this jump. Oh, speaking of fall, that's like our goal, but you know, we're not even trying because we're laughing. Oh, that'd be hilarious.
Alright, this episode is a little dark. Ouch. Okay.
At least you can see her.
Yeah.
No,
First fall.
she's not doing it.
You want to have one of us lead her again?
Yeah.
Alright. Same cameraman as last time.
Alright,
But if he's the cameraman,
go ahead.
dang. You don't want him. I'm just going to say you don't want him to be a cameraman. That's a no. Bro, he's like, I got it. Yeah, so he's a bad cameraman. Oh, crap. All right, here we go.
Oh man. Alright, I'm starting to get my balance back. This one's staying on. You can go ahead and stop it now that I'm probably not gonna fall off.
Just try to get her to lope. Try to get her to lope. Just keep kicking and kicking.
Keep kicking. I can't do it because it's kind of hard to get her control. But I'll try. It's like we're breaking a donkey.
Yeah. All right. It's the end of the episode because my camera's about to run out of battery. Later.